Hello, today I'm going to show you how to solve this pyramid puzzle in a 4-step process. And step 1 then is to actually find the matching 3 colours for this that piece of the puzzle. And all you need to do is to choose a colour that you might like to solve. I'd like to solve the red. So what you do is you find the 3 red corners, and that's not going to be there. So, there we go, there's the other red corner. And I spin that round like that and put your red corners into place, and that's going to be the red side where I've got the 3 red corners. And what I need to do next is to find those 3 red inner triangles. I found one already, and once you've know that's going to be a red side, all you need to do is just turn that round twice in that case, and you found the second red one, and then I'll turn that round again and again, and there is the 3rd red inner triangle. And spin those round, put the corners around, and there we go. That is the red side, and there we go, that one's actually already in position. Okay, so now step 2, now we've partially completed that bottom red section, is to put these 3 triangles, these sort of outer middle triangles, into position. That one's already in position, so all we need to do is spin. There we go, there's a red and a green there. So what we do, because that's going to be the red and that's going to be the green side, because the red's underneath, we push it around so we can't see the red, and we just do the green. And the opposite side to where we're working on, we turn that up, we spin the top around to the left and put the red into position and put it back down, and then suddenly the green and the red, that corner, is in the right position. And here unfortunately we've got the right piece, but it needs to be spun around. So what I'll do there is I'll just replace it with a random piece that's there. Yep, and replace it with a random piece, and then I'll do the same thing again. So I'll come around, there is the blue and red corner, which needs to go down in there. Red's underneath, the blue's there. So what we do is we push the red round so we can't see it, but we can see the blue. And then on the opposite side to where that piece is, we turn that up. We turn the top to the left and puts the red and the blue in the right position. Turn it down, and then suddenly the bottom section is all complete. The red's complete, and then you've got yellow, blue, and green there as well. Okay, so step 3 then. Step 3 is to put these 3 triangles up here, towards the top of the puzzle, into the right position. And what you can do there is you spin it around, spin that top around until you find, well, at least one, hopefully one, of those triangles is in the correct position. And if it is, then you put that piece away from you, and then you work on the front of this puzzle. And here's all the moves. It's down from the left, down from the right, up from the left, up from the right. Spin the top to the right, and then on the right hand side we move that up to the left and down like that. So I'll show you how that works. Okay, so we go holding it again with that away from you, that blue and green piece there. We go down from the left, down from the right, up from the left, up from the right. Just those pieces there. The top goes to the left, and then that piece goes up to the right. Top goes to the left, and then the right goes down, and there we go. All those pieces then, those little corner pieces, are in position. And all we need to do now, which is the final step, is to put these triangular pieces here into position, and that is the final step, step 4. And step 4, you just need to use this algorithm, which is down from the left, top to the left, up on the left, and top to the left. And you just keep repeating that. Can do a number of times to get these pieces in position. So it doesn't matter where you start from, but you just hold it and you do this, which is down, left, up, left, down, left, up, left. Actually, there it is. That's actually solved now. I'll just spin that round. So you can see how I could see that all those colours are all together. And that means it's solved. Just spin the top round to put that in the right position. And there we go. All blue, all yellow, all green, and all red at the bottom. And the pyramid puzzle has been solved in this simple 4-step process. And I have to say that this puzzle, I've done the Rubik's Cube in the past, but this puzzle, similar to the Rubik's Cube, but much easier to solve, much easier to remember all the moves to solve it. And you can do it a lot quicker as well. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.